I can't put the blame on anybody, right? It's a world economy, and you know, I'm just grateful that I've had a job this many years here. You know, I'd like to work here tomorrow. I'd like to work here next year. You know, but you know, I don't know. I'm just kind of hurting right now.
Oh, this came as a complete surprise to me. When I heard it on the news, it was
How
not
long
the
you
way
been-
you want to hear about losing your job.
Yeah. How long you been with GM?
I've got over 28 years in, so it's worrisome. Yeah, I'd like to get a pension like anyone else, but I don't know where I'm going to stand on that. It's going to depend on negotiations with the company and the union, I guess, on that is how some of us high seniority people are going to be taken care of, and even the low seniority too.
No, it doesn't sound like it. No, because the statement they put out was very clear that nothing new with the trucks. That's it. When this runs its course, that's it. Finished.
How long you been with GM?
38 years.
Wow. So you've seen it all.
I've seen it all. Yeah.
So how are you feeling?
I've kind of prepared myself for this moment because having kept up on what's gone on over the years, I knew this was going to come somewhere along the way, and I've also told guys, hey, get ready for it because one day it's going to happen.
Still wearing that jacket proud, eh?
Well, I'll tell you, today I felt like doing this.
Tough day.
Yep.